full exhaust. Just making sure everything bolted up properly. Hangers and all. It's a big bastard. Oh yeah. So, crap. Okay. Anyway, that's the one I bought that was supposed to fit and was way too short. And you can see like all the bends and everything, which wasn't bent properly because it was like getting stuck on the body and everything. And this one is the one I just got. It comes with a flex pipe and the open cat. Basically just a resonator, but you can tell it's longer too because it doesn't actually have that like spot right there where it's like, you know, super makeshift, so it's longer, so it'll button up together a lot better. So hopefully it goes in without any issues. Looks like it's got a bit more of a bend to it, more of an angle, so let's see what happens. So just a comparison, rough length estimate. Looks like it's gonna be a little longer, but it's got the actual, you know, bends in it, like it should have. Like it doesn't look like it's gonna cause too much of trouble. They're similar style exhausts, but the muffler on this one's a little bit shorter, I noticed, and that one bows out as to where that one's like a box kind of, or cylinder, whatever. So hopefully it works okay. I don't expect much for it being eBay, but I'm hoping for the best, so we'll see what happens. Oh, also, the reason why that's right there is because I had to twist that whole pipe right there to get it to actually even go on when I connected it to that. And of course the hanger's still on, so I'll probably take that off. Oh, I just noticed there's no hanger down here. Huh. So there's two hangers there, hanger there, connector right there, or the little bracket which is farther back, which should be fine because that one was having trouble. And then I guess there's a bracket there, but I've never seen that one on that one. So that one comes with a bracket. I just hope it's okay.
It's that right there, right?
Oh yeah, look at that.
It's where you can place it there and not have it all the way back here.
That would be actually probably better, to be completely honest.
Because that's for the stock OEM sensor, and they put it there in case you don't want to have it all the way back there. You can have it up here to where it might read better on some cars.
That's actually not a bad idea. Well, we'll see how it goes. That's just weird because it's on the other side. It's bizarre. Anyway, we gotta undo it. We were just putting it together to see how it would fit up.
Oh my god.
Old, new style.
Yep. Gasket we're gonna be switching it with. Yeah. OEM metal one. Turbo. That's what the inside looks like. I have no idea, so this is a new one for me and you. There's the up pipe too. I want to swap that out eventually, but it's not my main priority. Ooh, liquidy. Let's see. It's upside down, I know. But, yeah. Holy shit, Anthony, you just... Hey, you're shiny.
I wiggled it a little bit and it came apart.
That's the gasket that was on it.
I literally was just like this, and then I picked it like this, and I just went like that.
Gotta love Amazon gaskets.
It just,
so I got a new OEM one.
Don't buy these.
Yeah. The new set came with the same ones for the whole system, but I got an OEM turbo to downpipe gasket I'm going to be swapping out. And then I also am going to be switching out the all these gaskets later, but for now I'm just going to go with OEM. There's the downpipe I purchased aftermarket. You can tell it's just straight pipe. Obviously I had it bung. That's how I had it clamped. So it had a makeshift fucking adapter piece right there from my old exhaust piece, old exhaust downpipe. And then right here, you can see there's the belt. So it was belted on right there, and there's a clamp right there because it hugged over the pipe. And then there's the resonator hanger. That's the crap weld I was talking about.
I'm wearing like 3 sweats.
Like they just, you see, like they had it right there and they bent it right there, and then it goes all the way back. This piece isn't so bad,
Yeah.
but the rest is fucking trash. So, yeah. All right, and then the new piece is over there. One starts running worse. Cylinder 2 running the same. Cylinder 3 running worse. Try and get in there. Can't get in there really, but so cylinder 2 fuel injector. Let's see how it sounds with the silencer in. Anton, can you hold this, please? It surprisingly fit really well. I'm actually really impressed with the quality of eBay. For once they did something right. It was no problem at all. That's still pretty loud. That's that cold start too. I hear it rattle. Hear that rattle? Now for the silencer removed. Hear how it sounds.
Way better.
That's hella loud.
I like it.
My neighbors are gonna hate me.
I mean, you can always put the silencer on in the morning. I guess that's why that's there.
That's hella loud. Holy crap.
It really sounds like a Subaru now, though.
No joke. That's obnoxious loud. Sounds like inside the car. I gotta wait for this stinking light to change. I'm gonna roll up the window. It's got a nice rumble in it. You can actually really hear it once I actually put on the gas. It actually drowns out the sound of my turbo spool, which is pretty crazy because before it was really loud.
It sounds way cleaner.
Yeah, it sounds a lot cleaner. I like it. I really actually do. I bet the neighbors hate it though. Going advanced auto, gotta get some fuel injectors for the Celica. So, woo! Our job's not done yet. It sounds like a nice, like inside it's like a quieter deep rumble, which I really like, because it doesn't have that, like the previous exhaust just sounded like it sounded good, but it sounded off, like something was amiss. So like I think it's probably because say reputable. DNA motoring, I'm actually really impressed with compared to like what I was going with. It's a night and day difference. It was so easy to install. Never found a solution as to what the hell that hanger on the downpipe was for. I mean, it didn't get caught on anything. It didn't, cause any real issues, but it was just like pointless. And then there was the hanger on the bottom of the downpipe. So it connects to a part via a bolt like this to the actual chassis, which it's got like this little mounting bracket, which was a little off, so it's not bolted on right there, but it is over it. So it's got like this little, so I guess it has like this, and it's got like a little lip right there. It's like right here, but so if it were like anything were to happen, it would just sit there, so it wouldn't really cause any issues. So that's good enough for me. I don't know, it feels like it doesn't feel as stally as it was before. It actually feels like a lot smoother of a ride, at least to me. And I drive it all the time. So
well, you got those new gaskets too,
yeah,
which also helps with some of the air leak.
Yeah,
because that one gasket was really bad.
Yeah, so the downpipe, the downpipe 2 turbo gasket, as was provided in a different video, it fucking separated. So I mean, Anthony was just around, and then just all of a sudden it just separated. Don't trust the eBay gaskets; they're not really that great. They'll last for a little while. I do intend to get OEM gaskets, or at least some good ones, like maybe some Velcro or something, or at a later time. But right now, I'm just going to sit back and deal with these. They'll work for now, but I want to get better ones in the future. Maybe I'll just do some RTV Gold or something, I don't know. But I'm actually thoroughly impressed with the quality of this exhaust. Like, I'm actually really happy with it, really surprised. I didn't expect it to be this efficient and this easy to install. I thought it was going to be, full of hang-ups and everything, because I've seen videos on YouTube of people like upset about how, they had to readjust everything, and I didn't experience any issues, like, not really. Well, we didn't experience any issues, really.
I mean, it was a simple bolt-on, like, you couldn't get any more simpler.
Yeah. I mean, and it doesn't sound bad either. It doesn't have that, like, ricey sound where it's like tin can. It actually sounds like it's got that deep rumble, which I really like. It's the thing that, Subi lovers love, is it's got that rumble, and it's perfect. This is actually the exact sound I've been aiming for a long time for this car. Previous one had, like that, like I was saying earlier, had the deep rumble, but it just felt like something was off. This one has a nice deep rumble. It is a bit loud as far as like outside though. And we figured out what the rattling sound was. It was the
secondary O2 sensor.
Well, it was so most of the time there was like the catalytic converter, where it's got an O2 sensor plugged in there. But that O2 sensor just had a bung, from the manufacturer of DNA motoring. So it was just loose. So I just tightened it, made sure it was nice, stuck on there.